Horses out, we have Friendly Fire, best to begin, moving a party out, so now is Ninjutsu, landed Bisa, then followed over by number 6, Angelic Boys, in between horses, Manila Magic, Amazing Pace, alongside now is Reality Show, then followed by Flash Away, Hardway, second last, and Malihim is the early trailer, Ninjutsu, Bioralenka, Friendly Fire, now moving up by the roll to take second, Manila Magic in between horses, Amazing Pace down on the inside, and comes number 6, Angelic Boys, landed Bisa, Reality Show, Flash Away, Hardway, and Malihim trails the field. Meanwhile, we have Manila Magic takes the lead by about 3 for Abalenga. Friendly Fire in second, down on the inside, Amazing Pace. Ninjutsu is racing in fourth, Angelic Boys together with landed Bisa. Then comes Reality Show, Flash Away. Manila Magic by Abalenga Rehapa. And in second is Amazing Pace moving up. Angelic Boys on the outside, landed Bisa as they come down at the last 200. And it's still Manila Magic by about 2 lengths. Angelic Boys in second, moving up now. Reality Show, Amazing Pace, landed Bisa. But it's still Manila Magic. And nearing the finish line, Jackie Rap Sordan Alcadara on Manila Magic. Second close between Flash Away, Amazing Pace.
Ayun, nagpanalo si
Lap-lap.
Lap-lap Sordan.